have the FPV drone today, and we have a 600 LT, and it shoots flames. It has an exhaust in it too. So we're gonna try to fly the drone from behind it through the flame. Perfect! Let's see what's kind of gas.
But I did circumvent in the right way.
No, it's the fact that...
Whoa.
It's like staticky looking.
This is my Porsche 944. Let's go for a drive. Where's the drone? So I tried to get some FPV shots, but I just crashed my drone. So it's on the side somewhere along here. I'll just continue trying to fly it and I can try to hear it. So there's a mode where it starts beeping, I think. I just gotta find it. Okay, it should be beeping right now. Let's see if we can find it. Okay, I hear it. So it's on this side somewhere. Oh. Oh, there it is. Looks fine. So I tried to do a dive down from these trees and get really close to the road, but I went a little bit too fast going down like this and crashed it. But I've crashed this multiple times. It's pretty durable. Got it.
Still good?
I don't know.
Oh my god, bro.
I'll see if I...
Did it just nose dive into the road?
Yeah, and the ND popped off.
Oh. And he's gone, huh?
Yeah, I gotta order new ones though.
Jesus Christ.
And it got a whole bunch of weeds in the propellers, but I mean overall, not too bad. So it wasn't always like this. This front bumper was all stripped of paint. The fog lights were cracked, so I had to replace them. I wrapped them yellow. I think they look a little bit better. I went ahead and had someone paint the whole front bumper. There was a huge dent right here that I had popped out and then had them repainted. The carpet liner is peeling off. The last one I tried to glue it on, and I'm gonna put some buttons right here to put into the holes. I think the headlights look a little too new, so I'm gonna swap them out for the older ones. First mod of the 944, upgraded throttle response cam. The old part out right here, and the new part's going in. Have the throttle cable here. We're gonna put it in here, wrap it around. Oh, there we go. We gotta put this back in. So there's a whole bunch of slack now, and we need it so when it barely pulls, it clicks. Now there's more tension. Oh, so that's what we want.
Is that good?
We're just barely tapping on it, and you're hearing this clicking sound. So this is just barely putting on it.
Oh, yeah. Wait, no, go back.
There's a click, 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 click. So the cable that I'm holding right now, you need to pull out of the firewall a little bit just so you have enough room to loosen and tighten up the nuts.
Yeah. I was trying to show the cable.
So again, here's the new one, here's the old one. So we have my 944, and then here's Kevin's newly painted Integra. I did Integra also, but I sold it for this. This is my car mount. This is a Tilta Hydra Alien car mount connected to DJI RS2 with my Canon R6 Mark II. And I have a cable running all the way through the car to my Ninja 5. And then we just connected Kevin's phone to my DJI RS2. So now, with my Xbox controller, I can control both. First, we're gonna try Kevin controlling it from inside the car, and then I'm gonna be in here, but this is just to know like how close to get. Haven't tried this before, but we're gonna try it out. First drive in, it's a lot better. There's almost no slack at all. So we just got to this abandoned warehouse on the water. You get in right here. We'll probably come back another day and do a shoot, but we're gonna go by the water real quick. Listen to this. This is my favorite thing about this 944. Oh, that's a big bump. Good. This guy's about to roll off, bro. Cool spot number one, but this is a cooler spot. Check this out. Abandoned warehouse. I don't know what it was from. I think it was like a wood mill from when Olympia was first built. Pretty cool, graffiti everywhere.